Hi friends, did you know that over 50% of India's population, close to 600 million people, are below the age of 25 and they're about to change the world? The 21st century has made us realize the importance of a world-class education to change the future generations. While many of these students aspire for a world-class education, access to capital remains the single largest obstacle in the journey of these Indian students.
Dear students, knowing this as a major obstacle, we at Imperial Group launched EduLoans in 2018 with the belief that education is a global equalizer and the playing field of global opportunities can be leveled with world-class education. Our aim was to make the process of securing funds seamless by providing a platform with global and local lenders, thereby providing the student with the most suited loan option based on eligibility, cost, and convenience.
Hello everyone. As a son of a banker and an individual who was applying for education abroad, I always thought procuring education loan would be easier for me. But while actually entering into the process, I realized how difficult things are. So we at Imperial Group are passionate about making the path easier for the future generations. We at Imperial Group are not only a team of counselors, but we believe in being friends with our students and walking hand in hand with them till eternity. Our commitment and passion has helped over 10,000 students realize their potential in the past 10 years. We would like to share a few dreams which today have become our and your success stories.
Hi, my name is Meena Mudamkar and I'm passionate about software engineering. I graduated from Stony Brook University just last year and I currently work for Amazon Web Services as an SDE. While working for a company like Amazon and doing what I'm passionate about is like a dream come true. This would not have been possible without the help of Imperial Overseas Education. Imperial Group helped me throughout the process. They also introduced me to their education loan platform, EduLoans. EduLoans is a great platform where you can assess all the available options and it provides you with the best deal. Now again they're innovating and they're providing funds for us. I'm certainly looking forward to contributing to their funds so that I could help someone to live their dreams.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi Borkar. I'm working as a faculty assistant with a professor at Syracuse University. This introduction wouldn't have been possible if I didn't do my master's at Syracuse University. I had good grades, a good working experience, and my ambition, but the only thing that was stopping me from going after my dreams was financial resources. It isn't the easiest task, it was a make or break for my career. So Imperial Group has been a really big help and a savior for me in this case. They provide you with a platform that gives you all the options for your financial needs and education loans. So Ranveer was a faculty that helped me throughout the process, who works for EduLoans, and he helped me pick and choose what works really well for my case. Imperial Group, along with EduLoans, is embarking upon a new journey by planning to raise a fund for US to make it easier for students to reduce the cost of finance. And I'm gonna make my contributions, and I hope you make your contributions too. I wanna be a part of a process where I can help change somebody's future.
Today, when we look back at all these success stories, we feel a sense of pride and gratitude towards all those who made this journey possible for us. But fueling these dreams and turning them into reality has become a bit difficult right now, owing to the effect of the pandemic of COVID-19 on the economy. Parents of well-deserving aspirants are finding it extremely difficult to empower the dreams of their children. Hence, it is an urgent need for us to come together and help this generation tide over the crisis.
It is time each one of us will be needed to fuel a dream. By contributing to the EduLoans Fund, you guys stand to gain 3 to 4% rate of interest versus a 1% from a traditional bank. The student stands to gain a future. We also promise that for every single dollar contributed, we would raise $10 from lenders and help future students achieve their dreams. You can contribute to EduLoans funds for philanthropic scholarships for the underprivileged students, as we have the scale to reach over 15,000 students and proven industry experience of over 10 years.
At Imperial, we believe that the true meaning of success lies not just in what one achieves for himself, but also the contribution that one makes for the success and achievements of others. I invite you to be a part of this movement and experience the joy of giving. As we continue to look forward in life, let's relive our past by setting someone off on the incredible journey that we were lucky to be a part of.